Damn, this front end is looking sick.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to keep working on the ZX10R. Quickly I'm going to talk to you about what happened. I know I missed this past week's upload, nothing I could do about that. A lot of things happened. The family, it was my birthday, then my kid's birthday, and then I got COVID. I couldn't work, I was sick as a dog. It was painful, it was not fun. But luckily, feeling better, back in the garage, we're trying to get some work done. I didn't film a lot of things, unfortunately, because I was just jumping in when I could, and filming is hard. So, without much more talk, let's jump into it and get some work done today. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to keep working on the ZX10R. It's looking minty, obviously, as you can tell. Half of the fairings, or almost half of the fairings, are almost on, and oh my gosh, I'm falling in love with this bike by the second. So it's looking good, super happy about that. Without much more talking, let's get down to business and get some more work done today and see how far we can get on this bike and see what the outcome is going to be. Guys, as you can see, both headlights now work. This is the replacement LED bulbs I picked up. Really good stuff. I really like that it's white and it's bright and it's LEDs. Super happy about that. So now this can get installed finally without being worried about it. But obviously, as you can see, there's lots of scratches on this. I'm going to attempt to sand it and see if I can get those scratches out and then polish it. Alright guys, in this box I picked up some engine crash covers for this bike just because it only made sense to throw on some of these. As you just see me unbox the GB Racing engine covers. I usually like throwing this on any bike I own just because it's easier and it's cheaper to replace this than having to replace the engine covers or the stator covers, or to even sand and paint it like I did. It takes less work to just order this online and have it installed. It's way better. I'm not going to be throwing this on just yet because I do want to have them painted just to throw a little bit of spice to this bike. I'm going to remove all the plastic bits, so like the chain cover, the rear fender, the chain guard, all that good stuff. I'm going to remove all of that off the bike, prep it because that usually takes a whole lot longer than you think, and then throw some paint down on this because I want it to look good. Let's get down to business. And that's not working. So let's get the bike off the lift on the ground, put it on the stands, and get this one done once and for all.
And the wheel is out, as you can see, looking good. Over here, I have the calipers held up with some zip ties. You never want to leave the calipers hanging on the brake lines. That's a recipe for disaster. So that's out, but upon taking it out, as you can see, we have more problems. The fork seals are done on this bike, both front ones. As you can see, there's lots of residue over there, and the same thing on the other side. So that's going to need to be taken care of very soon. Moving on to the back of this bike, we're going to begin doing the same thing. We're going to remove the rear wheel, bring it inside, get it all prepped, and we're going to throw some paint sometime soon. Alright guys, there you have it. Both wheels are off. And here we have it. This is a trim piece for the ZX10R. As you can see, it has that textured finish you'd get like from a car molding or a rear bumper or something like that. I don't like it, so I'm going to be painting it and making it look good. Alright guys, as you can see, everything is prepped and ready to receive some primer, then paint and all that good stuff. Everything is sanded, taped up, it's cleaned. So without much more talking, let's get down to business and make this thing look brand new. Alright guys, it's been a couple days since I set all of this up. I'm just too sick to do anything, but today I'm gonna throw some paints down. Everything is assembled, clean, prepped, sanded, all that good stuff is done. It's all gonna be time lapse. I'm not looking to talk too much because I don't have a lot of energy. It's all gonna be on time lapse. And let's get down to business and start throwing some paints.
can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. That's all the time I have for this. If you enjoy videos like this, make sure you hit that like button, drop a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll be seeing you in the next one.
Hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice way. If you grind through the climb, I invite pain.
What's up, guys?